Girvano, one of three winners for four-time champion trainer Jason DaCosta, upstaged the more fancied Of a Revolution to land the feature Miracle Man Cup, an open allowance contest for 3-year-old and up, going 7 furlongs at Kimana Spark on New Year's Day. Denise Walters has our racing review.
It was Mamma Mia that got away from the field early and led the fractions in sloppy underfoot conditions. But in a well-timed run, Girvano, ridden by Robert Hallidine, held off a fast finishing Of a Revolution.
But they're at the top of it, a quarter of a mile to run. Mamma Mia, here is Girvano kicking in, and Girvano points. Watch Digital One down against the rail. Of a Revolution is widest of them all, and now beginning to bubble to the board. It's Of a Revolution and the Girvano matching strides. Girvano and Of a Revolution continue. Of a Revolution, Girvano fighting him off. Girvano and Robert Hallidine holding the lead. This is the Miracle Man Cup, and Girvano beats Of a Revolution. Is that a fact? Is third. Mamma Mia fourth. Wall Street Trader is fifth.
The Jason DaCosta conditioned Girvano won by 1 3/4 lengths in 1 minute 26 and 2. DaCosta also bagged the co-feature, the SVRL Fan Appreciation Day Trophy, an overnight allowance contest with a 10-1 upsetter Provident, going 9 furlongs and 25 yards.
Brenda Boy trying to join the fray too, but it's still Oil Machine. Provident is fighting on. Provident and Oil Machine, it's still Provident now hits the front. Oil Machine not going anywhere. Here comes Wicked Cassie winding up, and also coming on, that is Captain Sparrow, but it is still on that lead. Provident, here comes the Brenda Boy also. It's a good looking finish. Provident keeping them at bay in the SBRL Fan Appreciation Trophy. Providence beat Brenda Boy. Then comes Wicked Cat.
Ridden by Tevin Foster, Provident won by 1 1/2 lengths in 1 minute 57 and 4. Meanwhile, 45 favourite Thousand Treasures landed the New Year's Day Trophy, a restricted allowance 4 contest for native-bred 4-year-olds and up, going over 6 1/2 furlongs. Ridden by Dane Dawkins and trained by Gary Sobrati, Thousand Treasures won by 4 3/4 lengths in 1 minute 22 and 4. In the meantime, Lion of Ekati, with the jockey Ray and Lewis in the saddle, obliged as a 6-5 favourite to win the Mackay Security Limited Trophy, a 350 claiming event going 7 furlongs. Norman Smith's Lion of Ekati won in 1 minute 31 and 4/5 by 4 3/4 lengths. And apprentice Tajay Suku guided the Carlton Cunningham conditioned nothing but trouble to victory in the Mackay Security Sprint Trophy, a 250 claiming race over 3 1/2 furlongs straight. The 7-2 shot won by 4 lengths in 42 and 4/5 of a second. Racing continues on Saturday with a 9-race card. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.